You're gonna think this is really strange, but these trees are like totally hitting on me. Listen. Well, thank you. Wow. Look at him. Well, I mean, I washed my hair yesterday, but thank you. And then I did the side pony. Maybe that's it. What was that? No way. I can't come back here every day. Okay. Oh, well, maybe if you continue to whistle like that. I mean, I'm just in my plain jogging clothes. Stop it. I gotta go now. This is ridiculous. Oh my God. Did you hear what they just said? They're whistling at me. I gotta go. I'm embarrassed now.